in Zoom, I say congratulations to you. Trust me, today is going to be awesome. It's going to be massive. It's going to be explosive. Things are happening in this wonderful, life-changing, beautiful business called Stake Exchange. This is a business that have come to change our life, a business that have come to really add an extra income into our pocket. So Stake Exchange is here, Stake Exchange is working, and Stake Exchange is live and direct. So I'm just going to see if I can make one or two persons who I can recognize here a co-host, so that you could help me officiate the meeting while we wait for other leaders also to join as well. I think I have some leaders here, but I want someone who have been joining me before on Zoom. I don't know if Mr. Itux is here already. Sir, if you're here, Mr. Joseph, please, if you're here, okay. I'm going to make you a co-host now. I'm going to make you a co-host now, sir. We did a lovely job yesterday, sir. You're a wonderful leader, sir. I respect you so much, sir. So I'm going to make you a co-host right now. It's also going to help to also officiate our meeting better. Someone is saying audio. I believe everyone can hear me. Is that correct?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So everyone can hear me clearly. All right. So let's go in right now with the presentation. I'm going to share my screen with you. So Stake Exchange business presentation. Now, what is Stake Exchange all about, and how can this massive business opportunity put an extra income into your pocket? And if you have already registered already, how can this business expand your finances? If you're already earning your daily share, your daily commission, we want to let you know how you can even expand your money more than what you already have. Now, when you hear the word Stake Exchange, it actually has a meaning. Actually, when you hear the word stake, X, and chain here stands for network of people. Connection, it stands for connection, it stands for network of people. The X here stands for exchange of goods and services, and the stake here stands for stakes. That stands for your money. So which means Stake Exchange means a network of people buying and selling or running commerce with their stake, which is with their money. That is just the simple meaning of Stake Exchange. Okay, now Stake Exchange is an online and offline based e-commerce company with a new innovative business concept with an awesome customer pay plan. What do we mean by that? This is an online business, of course, because it is e-commerce, but the company also has an offline face, not just online. They have offices, they have products, things you can feel, you can touch, you can access, and all that. And of course, the money the company pays you into your pocket is not only online money, it is offline money, which means not only money that you see on the system, but money that you can cash out, that you can use, and money that can change your life for good. Okay, so it is an online and offline business opportunity and a wonderful customer pay plan. Stake Exchange works with a powerful business system of share profit. Now, someone will be like, share profit, what does it mean? Now, with the emergence of e-commerce, the normal business model that we know, there are three things that builds various business models that we know. Number one is proximity, number two is price, and number three is relationship. These are the three things that factors that affect commerce. Each and every one of us today, when you think about doing a business, think about getting people into your business, or think about patronizing people before the emergence of e-commerce. These are the three factors that you consider. Number one, you consider proximity, which is how close is that shop to you. Those are things that helps to factor in whether you're going to buy something there or not, which means if, for example, you got something, let's assume something cost 1,000 naira. Go have some people, something cost $100, maybe in Lagos. But you know that particular goods also cost $500, cost maybe $80 in Onitsha. Now, would you leave Lagos to Onitsha just because of that extra $20 difference, take transport and all that? No, you're not going to do that. So the guy who is selling that goods for $100 in Lagos will be making profit simply because he's closest to you. That is just it. So he's making money based on proximity, and you also, you're buying based on proximity. The other aspect of commerce is what? Price. Most of us go to places where we can get the best of price within our proximity. Then the last aspect is relationship. Sometimes when you go to the market, you want to buy something, you buy based on people who are closest to you. And that is how it works. Ladies and gentlemen, we just crossed 400 people right now in our Zoom. Woo, it's awesome. In just 10 minutes, you're just going to do something very spectacular right now. You're going to screenshot the partners, a participant list and send to your prospects, send to your partners. Let them know that this business, people are flocking in, things are happening in Stake Exchange worldwide, and they need to be part of it. Let them know that the Zoom meeting have started, and today promises to be massive, promises to be explosive, promises to be eye-opening, and it's going to be amazing. So back to what we're saying. So you're buying because of three things: relationship, proximity, and price. These are the three things that factors in. But when e-commerce came in, you see that e-commerce is like the world being a global village. Everything is now streamlined to only one factor, which is what? Price. That's why you see today they are doing Black Friday, tomorrow they're doing slash in price. Every e-commerce company, they're trying to fight each other or compete with each other based on their price difference. Now, but what StakeExchange looked at is, okay, because of price, it makes it difficult for new e-commerce companies to emerge because these top big guys out there are going to use price to push you out of the market. So StakeExchange is now working on a new different model. Instead of just bringing in price system, trying to reduce the price, instead they even increase the price of their product, but now share their profit with their members. That is just it. That's just the business concept. So this is a bottled water I'm with right now. This is my water today. And StakeExchange can afford to sell this water for, this normally is sold for 100 naira in Nigeria. They can afford to sell this water for 1,500 naira, for example, and then share the 1,400 extra within their partners. So some of us who are listening from far, this could be $100. Okay, this could be $10, for example. StakeExchange can afford to sell this for $150, and the remaining $140 as on top of it, they share within their partners. And then what makes it more sustainable is that even the money that they share within their partners, they still divide it. They divide it in the sense of that $140 that you're supposed to get, they divide it again into two parts. 80% of the money that they pay you goes to your shopping wallet or your reorder wallet, which you must use to buy another bottled water again. You see the magic now? Then the other 20% goes into your income wallet, which you can cash out. And then the one that even goes into your income wallet, they even split it again and pay you little amount of that money over 30 days. So that is the concept. But as we go deeper, you're going to see the concept and all that. This is a business that can pay you for life, but not just 30 days, but that is just how the payment cycle is. So after 30 days, the shopping wallet or shopping reorder wallet you have, use it to reorder product again, and then you keep on earning. Ladies and gentlemen, we just hit a all-time high of over 450 persons in our Zoom today. Before it was 430, and now we have 450. Things are happening. StakeExchange is changing lives, and everybody is happy about it. Okay, so this is the concept of StakeExchange, and this is a product-based company. Now, the company has a system where they have mini product pickup centers in various cities and countries across the world, that these StakeExchange partners all over the world can easily access their products. So this system makes it easy for StakeExchange partners across the world to easily access the products. And these pickup centers are called stockists. Stockists are places where these products are picked up from. Okay. Now, so what is StakeExchange? StakeExchange was fully launched 19 December 2020. StakeExchange is in over 15 countries of the world as I speak to you, ladies and gentlemen. StakeExchange has over 130 registered stockists worldwide, and StakeExchange is currently the fastest growing and paying e-commerce / network marketing company worldwide. What are you waiting for, guys? Things are happening. I was telling someone, I said, before the end of this year, if this company don't give out cars alone, they are giving out over 200 to 300 cars. The question is, are you going to be part of it? Are you going to grab your copy? Are you going to be part of that change? Because things are happening. Now, they have the first office also in the Philippines, Unit 4 Victoria Marinas Building, Lasip Grande, Dagupan City in Philippines. And the company also have their product procurement office, because it's a product-based company, in Michigan Business Center, 12 to 20 Guanyang Road, Beiyun District, Guangzhou, China. And these are verified offices. In fact, we have partners who have gone to the office to even verify these companies are there and all that, and it is fully. So feel relaxed. And also wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. The African head office also has been launched as number 65C Opebi Road at Allen Avenue, Lagos State. It's wonderful, it's amazing. And also things are happening. This is a business that is fully registered with several bodies, several government organizations of the world and all that. And this is a business to join. It is a must join. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to cross 500 on our partnership list right now, and things are happening. Dollars is flowing everywhere, courtesy of StakeExchange, and this business is making everybody happy. Okay. Now, after this whole aspect I just explained right now, the company has a shopping center. The first one is called eShop 1. We are expecting another shopping center by next week, which is called eShop 2. So I'm just going to explain eShop 1. What is eShop 1 all about? Okay. What is eShop 1 all about? Now, this eShop 1, they have several wonderful products in eShop 1, which is the company's products. They have the energy bar magnetic bracelet, the energy pendant, alkaline water stick, anti-Blu-ray glasses, non-stick frying pan, foot detox patch, belly slimming patch, gas lighter extension. If I look at one of my gas lighter extension here, look at it. Okay, although this is the gas lighter extension. I'm going to show us later in the video. They have the belly slimming patch, gas lighter extension, electric foot massager. They have the fuel saver card, mist facial steamer. They have the mosquito repellent bracelet, anti-radiation phone sticker. They have the female energy underwear, water treatment purifier, quantum beauty spray bottle, pain relief patch, energy comb. Oh my God. Just imagine this number of products launched in the company just within 3 months of their pre-launch. What do you think is going to happen this year, 2021? You're going to see products upon products. And guess what? More than 90% of these products are available. They are cashable, they are usable, and they are working. So let's now go into the products in detail. Okay. Now, what is involved in the staycation product? Okay. Number one is the energy bar magnetic bracelet, which you can see here. I told you these are not spiritual products. The products are alive and they are working. And this is just what I can wear in my hand. It helps to increase blood circulation. It helps to increase blood. I just wear it this way. It helps to increase blood circulation. People who use this bracelet will have it find it very difficult to have strokes and all that. And it helps you also to carry when you're exercising and all that. It makes it far more easier for you. They also have the quantum energy pendant. Please, Mr. Itux, I think your computer, your system is making a little noise. Please, you have to check your notification sound, please, Mr. Itux. Okay, so they have the quantum energy pendant. This quantum energy pendant, you wear it around your neck. It helps to increase blood circulation. It helps against heart palpitation. Have anybody who have any heart-related issue, please let them wear this quantum pendant. I assure you that that thing is going to help them a lot. It helps to increase blood circulation in the body. Another wonderful product is the alkaline water stick. Now, this alkaline water stick, because more than 80% of the food we eat today are processed food, and most processed foods have preservatives inside of them, and most preservatives are acidic in nature. Because of that, your body is highly acidic, and you know diseases can stay in an acidic body. So this alkaline water stick helps your body to remain alkaline. The alkaline water stick helps to convert your water to alkaline. In fact, this is an alkaline producing machine, because any water you put this into, it converts the water into alkaline water. In fact, I have some partners in my team who are using this to now produce alkaline water and start selling to people. It's a wonderful business. You can take the stick anywhere you want. It can last for up to 6 months, and it can be used for any liter of water. The more you put it in the water, the more the alkalinity content or the alkalinity concentration, okay, of the water. So that is how it works. So even you can put it inside your water dispenser, and your whole family now enjoys alkaline water. What an amazing thing. Another thing is the anti-Blu-ray glasses, which helps you to see properly. You know, a lot of blue lights coming from the TV set, from your phones, from your laptop, which is not good for the eyes. These anti-Blu-ray glasses help to prevent those things from affecting your eyes, and trust me, it's wonderful. So another wonderful product is the water treatment purifier. When I use this water purifier, I thought I had clean water in my house until I fixed this in my kitchen. Within 1 week, I saw the dirt that this thing has trapped out for me, and I know, of course, this product is working. Another wonderful product is the gas lighter extension, which I just showed you right now. You can use for your cooking. Another wonderful product is the electric foot massager. This is a foot massaging machine, not just a massaging mat. This helps to massage your legs against rheumatism, against leg issue, leg pain, any single aspect of leg issue. It helps to massage your legs very, very well. Okay, we have the mosquito repellent bracelet. This mosquito repellent bracelet, there's a unique oil inside the bracelet that helps to scare away mosquitoes. Just wear it around your wrist and wear it while you sleep, and mosquito will not come near you for up to 30 days. After 30 days, you throw it and you buy another one. That is the wonderful thing of the mosquito repellent bracelet. And it's also good for both children, kids, anybody. It's not offensive in terms of odor, and it's a very wonderful product. They have the Energy Saver card. This Energy Saver card is a wonder card, because this helps to save your fuel. Fuel price is increasing every day. Things are happening. But do you know that with this energy saver card, you can save up to 5 to 35% of your fuel, which means if you use $100 in your gas tank, in your generator every single week, with the use of this energy saver card, you can start using $95. You can start using $80. You can start using even up to $70 and saving $30 by using this fuel saver card. And guess what? Once it's just like a sticker, you mount it on your generator or on your car, and it can last for up to 5 years. Very wonderful product, is working, and we have it courtesy of Stake Exchange International. Another wonderful product is the electric saver card. This electric saver card helps to save your electricity cost. One testimony I had so striking is a testimony of my sister-in-law that used this electricity saver card because they spend over 40,000 naira every month on the electricity bill in their house. I gave them this electricity saver card. I said, this thing will work for you. And lo and behold, that month, at the end of that month, they were able to save 8,000 naira. So what they spent for their electricity was about 32,000 instead of the normal 42,000 they usually spend before. These products are working. It's amazing, and we have them courtesy of Stake Exchange International. Another wonderful product is the Agadabu of all products. This is a male quantum energy pant. This is recommended for all men because this helps to increase blood circulation within this region in your body system. This also helps against prostate, helps against erectile dysfunction. This is a wonderful product. It comes 3 in 1 package. I always tell someone, I said, you wear this one the first day, the second day wear the other one, wear the third one the third day. But please, on the 3rd day, make sure your wife does not travel, because by then the product would have started working, is so active, and by then every erectile dysfunction will disappear. So please, this product is working, and we have them courtesy of Stake Exchange. Even if you're not there for those areas, you say you're an old man, you are so spiritual, no problem, but you also need this product because of prostate, because studies have shown that once a man is above 40, he has a 50% chance of having prostate or prostate-related illness, and that is why you need to wear this product to help against that. Another wonderful thing the product does is that it helps against waist pain, and this product is available courtesy of Stake Exchange International, and this product is working. Then the wonderful one again is the female quantum energy pant. This one helps against menstrual issue, menstrual cramps, against infection issues. It helps to increase blood circulation within this area, and also very, very wonderful. I always tell people, please, if you're trying to abstain, you don't want to take in as a lady, please don't wear this. But because this product helps to activate all your body cells around this region, and the product is working, it's wonderful. And it helps against menstrual pain, menstrual cramps, and all that. Also against waist pain, and it's a product for all. Another wonderful product is the food detox patch that helps to detoxify your system. Another wonderful product is the Mist Facial Steamer that helps to steam your face. See how my face is looking so wonderful, and wonderful and wonderful is because of the Mist Facial Steamer. Another wonderful product is the non-stick frying pan. No more cholesterol. This product, you can fry your chicken or chicken, plantain, any single thing right now without oil. It has the unique tendency of extracting oil from the product and frying it for you. Just imagine this amazing product. Another wonderful product is the belly slimming patch that helps to slim down your stomach. Another wonderful product is the Quantum Beauty Spray. Quantum Energy Beauty Spray. This product has so many applications. It's working against mouth odor, against negative ions. It fights so many things for the body, against pain. Even if you have, let's say, someone who have cataract or any eye-related issue, just pour water inside the bottle, spray on that area, and the pain is gone. So wonderful product. Another wonderful product is the pain relief patch, and so on and so forth. What are you waiting for? Stake Exchange is here to change lives. Stake Exchange is wonderful. These are product-based companies. I was telling someone, I said, even if this company is promoting, let's assume this is a network marketing company, and we are promoting only 2 or 3 of these products. Sure, you know, this business is already a win-win. But just look at how many products in Stake Exchange. You know that this business is here to change lives. And the company said they are not yet done. They even have got the quantum energy comb, which is coming very soon, where all the dead cells, some of the ladies, as you're combing your hair begins to cut and cut and cut. It is not out of sufferhead. It is not out of hardship. You just need a quantum energy comb that will help to straighten all the dead cells that is in your hair, and your hair will start looking long again and all that, and beautiful and shining. So they have that also in Stake Exchange, and we're expecting that product very, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, we just hit another all-time high of over 525 partners on this Zoom in less than 25 minutes. This is amazing. This is wonderful. This is awesome. Please start sharing the link right now. Things are happening in Stake Exchange. Start sharing the link. Screenshot the partners' numbers. Share to your partners. Let them know things are happening, and they need to be part of this Zoom right now because this business is moving to the moon. Okay. Now they have the eShop too. This one now we're expecting it next week. or at least before the end of next 2 weeks. This is one thing that blew my mind. When the African reps talked to me about this, we called some leaders, we had a leaders meeting about this. This eShop 2 now is coming very, very soon, where you will be able to buy other things from Stake Exchange e-commerce platform, like the male luxury wristwatch, the female luxury wristwatch, the Dubai trip. You can even access the Dubai trip. Some of us who maybe by that time you may not have to qualify, but you're an investor, you would like to go for Dubai trip, go and enjoy yourself. You can purchase it. $5,000 car award, $15,000 car award, phones, tablets, laptops, generator set, TV set, jewelry. So many wonderful things are going to be on the eShop too. As a full-blown e-commerce company, ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? This is the business of the future, and 2021 is your year for this business. So you don't have to relent, you don't have to wait. Now, let's talk about the money. Let's talk about the what? The money, the business package and passive daily commission. How you can make money as a member in this business. Remember, I talked about the share profit system, how you earn share profit from the company and how the company raise their monies and all that. Now, the company has various purchase packages for you. Number one, they have the minor package. The minor package here, you register with $45, which is about $22,500. And on this minor package, registration inside, look, this is $45. In this $45 now, the money for registration inside that $45, or let's use the word, the network marketing value. One of the reasons why Stake Exchange, if you're waiting for Stake Exchange to crash, you will grow old, is because the kind of the passive income system and the active income system of Stake Exchange are running on their own. It is not combined. It is two different systems in one, e-commerce and network marketing, but it is two different income systems, income streams. Passive income is there, active income is there. How? Look at this. This is $45 registration, $45 to enter, of which inside this $45, registration money, which is the network marketing value of that registration, is $15, which is 15 PV. Of course, this company does not cut your PV here. Anything your downline pay is what you get, 15 PV. Then stake voucher. Stake voucher is like the passive income aspect of the business. It's $30. So $30 plus $15 is equals $45. That's why you see $45 here. But you don't pay $15. Say, wait, after 1 week I'll pay the other one. No, you pay all at once. So that is this $45. Guess what? You're going to be earning $0.23 per day. Total of $6.9 in a month. Someone say, it's looking small. Okay, it's looking small. Let me show you. Total of $82.8 in 1 year. Just look at it. For a business, you started with $45. Look at what you started with. Look at what you're getting at the end of the year. Then it also just ended. The company said every month also you are entitled to a free shopping voucher of $29.6, which is about $13,800 every month. Free shopping voucher. One good thing about Stake Exchange is that here, nobody asks you to buy any, nobody forces any product to you. You know, sometimes in some network marketing company, they tell you, if you register with package A, this is your product. When a lady comes up and say, sir, please, I've registered now. Which product are they giving me for the package I registered? I said, sir, ma, they have given you your product. She said, how? I said, did you see money in your shopping wallet? She said, yes. I said, yes, that is Stake Exchange for you. They have credited money inside your shopping wallet so that you can go to their shopping center and shop any product of your choice. The woman said, what? Say, this is wonderful. This is unbelievable. This is massive. This is good. I say, yes, that is Stake Exchange for you. So here, nobody forces any product on you. When you register into the business, you're going to be, for example, someone register with this registration money, instantly they're supposed to give you a product worth this money, right? Instead, they will give you $15 worth of shopping voucher and so on and so forth. All right, let's go to the next package. I will be explaining as we go. Bronze Basic, which is $90. In this $90, registration money inside is $30. While the stake voucher is $60, which is total of this $90 you're seeing here. And then what do you earn? $0.492 every single day. Total of $14.76 in a month, which is about $7,380. Then look at it in a year. In a year, $177.12 in a year, which is about $88,560. Then you're still giving free shopping voucher, or you can use the word free product of $59.04. $59.04 worth of shopping voucher, not 1 month, every month in this business. Then they have the Silver Basic package. Silver Basic package. Look, when I finished presenting this opportunity, I didn't know that anybody who decide not to register, just know that your village people have sent you friend requests. Not only friend requests, they send you friend requests, they even add you inside their own WhatsApp group. They add you there and put you as one of the admin, not even one of the admins. You know, if you leave the group, they add you again. Because this business is just wonderful, it's life transforming, and this is a win-win for everybody. Silver basic package here is $180. Inside this $180, you have registration money, which is $60, which is the network marketing value. Then stake voucher, which is the passive income area, or some people want to call it the investment area, which is $120, which makes up this total money. Here you earn $0.996 every day, and total of $29.88 in a month. And total in a year of over $358.56, which is over 179,280 naira. And not just that, the company said that we're giving you free shopping voucher of $119 every single month in this business. The next package is the gold basic package, which costs $360. Registration here is $120, take voucher is $240. What you'll be earning here is $2.016 every single day, which is about $60 in a month and about $725 in a year. Look at it. A business you started with $360, you have made about $725 in a year. Apart from that, you're still making $241 in shopping voucher in product. Calculate it in 12 months. How much have you gotten? Even in 10 months, that's over $2,400 you have made in product alone. Before you now talk about an extra $725, and you started the plane with just $360. So much money. Then the bronze classic, we're about to enter the bigger ones now, the one for the bigger boys. The bronze classic here is $720 in total, which is 360,000 naira. And the registration money inside here is $240, while the stake voucher here is $480. What will you be earning here? $4.224 every day. Total of $126.72 in a month, and a total of $1,520 in a year. For a business you started with $720, more than times 2, almost times 3. By the time you now calculate the money you made for product, you are making close to times 10, or more than times 10 of what you started the business with. I was not telling someone that, so even if you sold, look at it, this is free shopping voucher the company is giving you of $506, which in a year that will amount to about $3,000 if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, amount to about $6,000. I'm sorry. Now, even if you sold a product for 20% the price, give away, just rubbish price, 20% the price, which is still about $1,200. So it means you made $1,200 in cash from sales of after the products were disposed, because you also said that you can come and carry one lady who is into provision or supermarket. So please come and pack all these things. If any money you have, give me. I'm just giving illustration. Even if you sold at a giveaway price, then you still made $1,200 plus another $1,520, which is over $1,520 plus $1,200. That is over $2,720, if I'm not mistaken. And remember, you started the business with how much? With just $720. So you have made more than times 5 of your money in just 1 year. This is wonderful. Then the wonderful thing about Stake Exchange is that they say, after you have made money and after 1 year, and you like the business, you like what has happened, they will give you even the opportunity for you to upgrade to the next package. Everybody wants to go higher. But this time around, you know, the next package now is $1,440. So on a normal, some companies will say you must pay this $1,440. Stake Exchange say no. After you have made all this money you have made, the company still say, all you need to do is to pay another $720, only an extra $720. When you pay an extra $720, they move to the next package, higher level for you the next year. And the next year now, instead of the normal $4.22 you used to earn, you now start earning $8.544. Somebody will say hallelujah. So you start earning times 2 after your first 1 year. You decided to move up. Even if you decide to move up before the one year, it's up to you. Anytime you move up. In fact, Stake Exchange say, anytime you move up to the next package, they start paying you times 2 of what was before, because now you're now in Silver Classic. And Silver Classic, ladies and gentlemen, is the new package of Stake Exchange. This one has the capacity to cure poverty instantly by you just registering as a member. This one is Silver Classic package, $1,440. Registration here is $480 inside the money, and $960 is the stake voucher. What you earn, $8.54, which is 4,272 naira. It's even bigger than what some bus drivers even submit as a daily pay every day. Okay, or cab people, for those who are doing higher purchase. Okay, Total of what? $256.32, which is about 128,000 naira in a month, and a total of $3,075, which is about 1.5 million naira in a year. Wait, so you started the business with what? With 720,000 or $1,440, and then after 1 year you made $3,075 after 1 year. Good or very good? Very wonderful. Then apart from that, remember, you will still get free shopping voucher, free product of $1,025, which is about 512,000 naira every single month in this business. In 12 months, ladies and gentlemen, that is over 6 million naira. In 12 months, ladies and gentlemen, according to calculation, that is over $12,000 worth of product for a business you started with 1,440. Remember, when you register in the business, they're still going to give you your registration product, just like every normal network marketing product-based company. That's why I say that anybody who does not register this business, so I don't know what is the problem. Because when you register the business, you're still going to be giving product, just like every other network marketing product-based company. You'll be giving product worth your money. Then that product worth your money that you're giving, remember, company is not going to choose for you. You still have the liberty to choose for yourself. Let's now go to the main other packages. You know what we just explained is the lazy man scenario of this business, which is just the passive income. You don't want much stress. What do you mean by passive income? It's just like someone that you carry, you use 2 million and bought a bus and gave to a driver and say, please, every day go and drive this bus for me and be giving me daily commissions on it. And every day it comes and give you daily commissions. You are making money, but you are making money based on passive income, which means you're not actively involved. But I want to show you another way where you can be actively involved in this business. I've done this business for barely 3 months right now under pre-launch of this company, and this company has paid me close to $100,000 within these 3 months. It is not hype, it is not joking and whatever. Last December, that's just a few weeks ago, I was awarded with the car award of $15,000 car award, courtesy of Stake Exchange. This business is changing my life. This business is paying us daily, and I want to now show you how you can make extra income and be earning daily in this business. Even people who are not networkers, you don't know how to talk. Instantly, when the company pay you, you must shout, you must testify. As you're testifying, people will ask you, ladies and gentlemen, brothers, why are you shouting? Why are you talking? And then you begin to explain your testimony. In fact, it's your testimonies that even get people into the business. So we don't even stress ourselves. So here at level 1, company say, anybody you brought into the business that is earning their daily commission, look at it, all this daily commission you're seeing here, $8.54 every day. Company say, as long as that person is your level 1 and someone that you brought direct, company is going to pay you 15% of that money. 15%. Someone say it looks small. It looks small. Let me calculate that money for you 1 year. Do you know that only one person you brought with this 720,000? Remember, this 15% you're earning, as the person is earning daily, you're also earning daily. So, and the person is earning that money for up to 12 months. So, as the person is earning $8.5, you're earning your own, $8.5 you're earning your own. If you calculate the money you're earning in a month, that's about 17,000 naira. Calculate it in a year, that's about 240,000 you are making for just one person you brought with 720,000. That is just amazing. That is seriously amazing, which is close to about $400. You're making close to about $400 for one person you brought with $1,440 just on daily commission. Companies say they don't stop there. What if you got 10 people and so on and so forth? Then when these people now brought their own people, that is now your level 2. You now start earning 8% of what those people are earning. When those people bring again, you start earning 4%, 1%, 1%, 1%. So you can bring a person. So imagine you have 100 people, 10 people here, and those 10 people brought 10 people. You now have 100 people on your level 2. Imagine you're earning just a percentage of what 100 people are earning every day. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I said that this company has the capacity, the compensation plan can cure poverty from your generation. I'm telling you, because the moment you join this net, you start doing all these things, you start making money. Then the referral commission. Referral commission here, you earn 20% referral commission on anybody you bring. And the good thing about it is that you earn on new registrations and you also earn on upgrade. I will give a little illustration. Somebody came and registered the business. Let me say bronze basic. Let me say the person registered bronze basic, and after registering bronze basic, you earn referral commission of $6. Then the person was doing the business, enjoying the business. After maybe 2 months, 3 months, the person, without telling you, the person just decided to upgrade to Silver Classic once. You know what Stake Exchange will do? Stake Exchange will say, in this Silver Classic, they're supposed to pay you $96. Okay, we have already paid you $6 from this person, so we're going to pay you the difference, $90. They will not take your money. They will pay you the difference, even though you registered the person 3 months ago, 6 months ago, 1 year ago. It doesn't matter how long the person stayed. Any day the person decides to go higher, your income must go higher. High. So much money everywhere. So as many persons that you refer who register or upgrade, your referral commission keeps coming over and over again. This is how the business pays. Another wonderful thing here is the binary team commission. Last 3 days or before days, I posted something. This company paid, if I calculated my commission in a day, over $580 in one account. If I calculate for the 3 accounts alone, over $1,500 in the 3 accounts in just 1 day. Question is how? I want to show you now. Team binary commission. Now, the company created a system that makes it possible for volumes to be accumulated in different ways. Number 1 is through reorder. Number 2 is through upgrade. Number 3 is through new registrations. Someone will ask how. What is reorder? Let's go. This is it. This is an example. This is Silver Classic package. Remember that every month you're giving this 512,000 worth of shopping voucher. Shopping voucher, which means you use it to shop product of your choice. This is like your reorder voucher. Let me use that word. So when that your downline uses this to go and buy products, the products on the eShop 1 has PV. They carry PV. So you will earn a percentage of that accumulated PV of your downlines. So let me give you an eye opener. Let's assume that the PV for everybody on Silver Classic, let me say everybody can do 100 PV. This is money that you accumulate from the system, not money that you have to bring another money from your pocket. This one was given to you almost like from the company, for example, from the system. So $100 or 100 PV, imagine you have, that is in your lesser leg, imagine you have 1,000 downlines who are doing 100 PV. If you have 1,000 downlines who are doing 100 PV, that is over 100,000 PV in a month. And then company will still pay you 10% of it. Look at it binary, 10% of the lesser leg. Let's assume you were in your lesser leg. 10% of that, is that not $10,000 in 1 month? And of course, every month, everybody is getting shopping vouchers to go and do their reorder. So every month, that $10,000 will keep following you over and over again. And remember, after 12 months, see, this is a business of residual income. Anybody who is just in it, there's 1 month, 2 months, then you don't know Stake Exchange. The way this business is planned, businesses like this only come out once in 4 years in network marketing industry and history. If you don't know, that is why you don't need to miss this opportunity. If you miss this, you will keep biting your finger. Say, had I known. One of the people where we're having Zoom yesterday say he wish he registered before me. I said, okay, you see, when they were telling you refuse to list it, now some people don't carry a car and more will still come. Stake Exchange plan right now in the next 3 or 4 months right now is how over 500 people, 300 to 500 people will go to Dubai and they're going to hit it. They said it about the car bonus. People thought we were joking. Over 9 people qualified for their car award and over 80 people qualified for their laptop award. Even laptop that they did not add inside the competition plan, they still dash people. And somebody is saying, is it working? No, it's not working. We are playing. We have 534 people here who are here to play. Please open your eyes because there's money here. And this business can change your finances for good. You want a new house? Join Stake Exchange. You want a new car? Join Stake Exchange. You want to start earning money every day? Join Stake Exchange. Okay. So reorder. As they are doing their reorder, you'll be making binary commission and also accumulating for your volumes, for ranking and everything. Then, anytime any of your downline upgrade, remember, every registration has a value. Look at this. Registration of this carries 240 PV. Registration of this carries 480 PV, and so on and so forth, just like your normal network marketing structure. So when they upgrade, for example, somebody was on 240 PV, he upgrades to the next package, which is 480. The system will simply say 480 minus the previous 240. It's another 240, another 240 for you again. Kai. Then you chop that binary commission on your lesser leg. Or let's assume the person was on minor package 15 PV. After 1 month, the guy chopped a lot to say, this business is too sweet. He moved from 15 PV, which is the minor package, straight to Silver Classic, which is 480 PV. Company will simply say they will not cheat you. 480 minus 15 is what? It is 465 PV. They will still knock you another 465 PV in your binary leg. If that is your binary lesser leg, you earn 10% of that 465. Even if it's not your direct downline, whether up, down, no matter to infinity, anywhere the person is in the binary, it must get to you and you earn that bonus. That is how you see people saying they're earning over $500 every single day in staycation per account. And the company said in this binary commission alone, you can earn up to $2,000 every single day. By that time, some of the staycation partners will need to be going with convoy and police escort, because you alone you have automatically turned to a collateral on your own. So people will go and use you and collect loan from bank. So guy, look, this guy is a staycation guy. Look at his account. Oh yeah, give us 30 million. He will pay. See, information is power. This information we're sharing right now is to liberate people to understand the magnitude of staycation and how this business can explode your finances. Because the company is still starting. Look at it, new registration. When people register again, another volume for you. So it starts from down. When they register, you chop binary commission. When they come and upgrade, you know, if you say you eat binary commission or you take binary commission, you know, go sweet. When you register, you chop what in binary commission. When you upgrade, you chop binary commission. When you reorder, you chop another binary commission. Binary commission every single place. That's why some people open their volume. People have not even started registering. They're already seeing volume everywhere, every day. God bless the people that set up this business, because this business is wonderful. No company is perfect, we know. But you see this one, it work. Okay, that is for the binary commission. Let's now go to the next plan. The next plan, I said, one of the things that staycation came to solve is many network marketing issues. One of the issues of network marketing before is balancing of leg. Every time you are pursuing your lesser leg, higher leg, you're pursuing, because you need to balance your leg. In staycation say no more. Because in binary matching commission, you earn a percentage of what your downlines earn per day. How? Level 1, you earn 20% of anything your downline earn. What does it mean? You register the OCA form. Let me give you a little story. There's a guy, okay, I will just call his other name. I will not call his main name. He's Isaac by name. Who, as at far back as 6 years ago, he was a tailor. We were working together, just doing some small network then. We have not even known, much. Then one of my guys registered into a network marketing business at that time and fired the business. And within the next 3-4 years, this guy had made close to 400 million in that business. But you know that the Isaac Abi Israel that got connected him to that business up to today, he's still sowing. Somebody say error. That is an error. When your pastor or your imam or whoever says that they are connecting you, that this year, this week, God is connecting you to your destiny helpers. That guy that promoted that business to over 400 million in just 3-4 years, supposed to be the destiny helper of that young man that passed the information to him, but no way. Why? Because the guy could not balance his leg. But in staycation, they say no more. Staycation say, even if it's only one person, just like Abraham said in the Bible, when God wanted to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah, say, even if you find only one person holy, will you still destroy this thing? Staycation say, even if it's only one person that you bring into the business and the person is doing well, you must be doing well too. Because anything the person earns, staycation said they will pay you 20% of that money. So you brought somebody today, and within 1 month, the person has earned $10,000 in binary chain commission. Staycation will pay you 20% of $10,000, ladies and gentlemen. So, in fact, you did not hear what I said. You brought somebody, the person earned $10,000 in binary team commission on his own, without you, without anything. You didn't need to balance your leg. The person just promoted the business. Staycation will still pay you. You are the one that brought him, because you're the one that brought him, they will pay you 20% of that $10,000, which is another money for you, which is $2,000. The next month again, the person earned $50,000 binary commission. Staycation will pay you 20% of that money again. Money everywhere. Just imagine. Level 1, 20%, level 2, 10%, level 3, 10%. So it's not even level 1 only. Just get these guys. They have other people under them that are making money. When they make money too, which is their level 2, your level 2, maybe you make 10%, level 3, 10%, level 4, 5%, level 5. So you can have like 10 people here, level 1. And maybe those 10 people, they brought their own people and all that. You have like 100 people here. Imagine earning 10% of what 100 people are earning their binary. That is so much money. That is what I call network marketing palliative 2021 model. All grabbable and achievable in staycation. Imagine you have 1,000 people in your level 3. You have 10% and all that. Look, ladies and gentlemen, if you see me shouting, don't pity me. Because I know where I was when this business started and where this business is right now. The business is paying me. So if you see me, I say, ah, no pity me because it dey work. Other leaders are here too. When you see them shouting, no pity also, because this business is paying every day. So please, don't doubt, don't be a doubting Thomas without money in your bank account and in your wallet. Join this business now because things are happening. So level 1, 20%, level 2, 10%, 10%, 5%, 5%. Just imagine that. Imagine earning a percentage of all the binary commission of your team members of 1,000 downlines in a day. Even if you yourself did earn binary commission, only that money alone is so much. Some people, if I tell you the amount of money this company pay me, only binary commission alone, binary matching commission, some people will drop their phone and faint. But because we're in a Zoom meeting, I don't want to mention the amount. So let me just continue now. If some of the leaders, not even me again, I don't even like sharing my testimony. I now like sharing testimonies of other leaders because we have so many of them. Only in my team alone, at least, we could say we have more than 1,000 people who have earned up to $1,000. Do you know what that means? Up to even $2,000. Do you know what that means? Then, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. This is what I'll all be waiting for. This is the new plan the company is launching for us, and we should be expecting this to be effective within the next 1 week to 2 weeks from now. Please, ladies and gentlemen, have your ears open as I unveil this plan to us, what this company is doing again. They are setting up the pace again. They said last year it looked like, let me use that word, like they had their best compensation plan. But this year they want to make, even if another company is thinking in their innermost mind to even try to copy, they have now copied their plan and even enhanced it again, even before the company start thinking. What is this one? This one is called New Binary Volume Commission. Do you know this one? This one is, let me read it for you. Earn a percentage of the difference between your last total binary lesser leg volume and your new month binary lesser leg volume. For example, Mr. A comes this month, accumulates 100,000 lesser leg binary volume. That's for example last month. Then next month or this month, he now accumulates 300,000. Look at what the system will do. The system will say 300,000 minus 100,000 is 200,000, which is the difference, which is the difference, the increase difference. So the company will now pay you a percentage of this 200,000, no limit. Hi. Affiliate members 0.5%, Jade 1%, Pearl 1.5%, Sapphire 1.5%, Ruby 2%, Emerald 2%, Black Diamond 2.5%, Grand Diamond. Someone say, I don't understand this grammar. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, I took my time this afternoon to draft out this thing very well for you to see. Look at it. Somebody wants to shock now. Please hold your phone very well. Don't faint, because by the time you start seeing the figures here, who knows? Look at this. This is last month. Let's assume your last month volume. You just came. You weren't really too pushing. You just, you're just trying to find your feet in the business. Or you registered late, and your total lesser leg volume was 500. Then next month, your total lesser leg volume, was 5,000. The company will say the increase of this and this is what? 5,000 minus 500 is 4,500. So if you are an affiliate member, which is just a normal member, they will pay you 0.5% of this 4,500, which is what? $22.5. Just imagine that. If you are a Jade member, they will pay you what? 1% of this lesser leg volume, which is what? $22,500, which is $45. If you are Ruby, they'll pay you 2% of this volume, which is what? $90. Just imagine that. That is for small players, because me, I enter business. My first month, I shouldn't be looking at 5,000. My first month, I can go to 100,000, because they say what is pursuing is what determines how you run. Some people, what is pursuing them is tortoise or ant. My own, what is pursuing me is lion with two heads. Some people, what is pursuing them is both their landlord, their family members, everybody. Financial problem everywhere. That is why you need to run to stake a share. So let's assume instead of that, let's assume the previous month you did 2,000 volume. This current month you now did 10,000 volume. Instead of say 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. So they'll pay you 0.5% if you're an affiliate member of 8,000, which is what? 20,000 or $40 instantly. If you're a Jade, you're earning 1% of that 8,000, which is what? $80. Just imagine that. If you're Ruby, you earn 2% of that money, which is what? $160, which is about 80,000. Just imagine that. Jesus Christ. In fact, only the way this business does the streams, I think I just close the Zoom. We just go everywhere. Just what are you waiting for? Those that have not registered, open your bank app, or start calling your upline, start transferring money sharp. No, nothing you're waiting for again. Okay, let me explain again, go deeper. Let's assume you're a big team leader. Your previous month you did 40,000, next month you now did 100,000. So it will minus 100,000 minus 40,000, which is 60,000. And the system will pay you 0.5% of this system if you're an affiliate, or if you're a JAID, it will pay you 1% of this, which is about $600. Just imagine that. If you're Ruby, to pay you, to have paid you 2% of it, which is about $1,200. So what of when you start going big in the business? You did $200,000 this month, and next month you did 600,000. So the minus 600,000 minus 200,000, which is $400,000, it will pay you. Let's assume you were Ruby, to pay you 2% of that $400,000, which is about $8,000 in 1 month. And you know, this is new binary volume commission. So which means it is not 1 month. It's just not they pay you this month, next month. No, when they finish paying you last month, you end. This is now your new month. Just make sure that your next month is higher than this month. So anything that is the volume difference again, they pay you again. Just make sure that the next month again, just make sure that your volume is higher than just make sure that your new volume is always higher than your previous volume. Anything that is the difference, you collect a lot. Simple and short. That is just the new volume binary commission. And it is wonderful. So someone can register now. Your first 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you're so irate in the business, you give it your best. And you already know that dollars is waiting for you. And the money that's being credited here is credited into your reward wallet, which you use to shop anything you want. Like you used to shop your car award, you used to shop your laptop award, your phone award, and so on and so forth. Hi. Okay, now then we have the ranking. The ranking here, when you become a JAID member, you have $10,000 lesser leg, you have $100 wristwatch and a luxury, $100 cash award, pay to your reward wallet, and $100 wristwatch. Then when you become a pair, you have $300 to you. When you become a Sapphire, you have $5,000 car award paid to your reward wallet. When you become a Ruby, you have $15,000 car award. So the company is changing something, which is quite better for us. So instead of them giving you the car, basically, they give you the money into your reward wallet, and there are already different shopping packages in the reward wallet. So you choose what you want at your own ease. Then when you become an Emerald, you have $30,000 car award, which of course your reward wallet, choose what you want. Black Diamond, you have $200,000 car award. And just imagine $200, sorry, not car, but $200 housing plan, which means the company is going to build a house for you worth $200,000. But it's paid in 10 months, not immediately, please. Then, voila, there's a new package coming up, which is the Crown Diamond. The company said this Crown Diamond, what you're getting here is $500,000, but not paid immediately because the company is looking at sustainability. So they stretch the money to you in 10 months. That's why some of the times they say when people are doing a retirement or whatever, they don't pay all your money. They pay small, is it pension or whatever? They pay small, right? I don't know which one they do like that. But $500,000, so you'll be getting about $50,000 extra every single month. Hey, see money. See money, ladies and gentlemen. What are you waiting for? Staycation is here to change lives. This business keep updating, keep upgrading every single day, every single month. eShop 2 is coming. New packages, new registration plan, bigger registration plan, bigger money everywhere. Dollars flowing everywhere. Testimonials, you know, when we finish every single thing, it's not time to do Thanksgiving, and that is where we'll not talk about promotion and testimonials. Take it to say, after you have earned and you come back for Thanksgiving, which is a testimonial, you share your testimony with people. The company wants to even pay you as you share your testimony with people. Promotional and testimonial bonus. Make and promote a 1 to 2 minutes testimonial video, and you'll be paid a percentage of the current stake shop earning. Please, I plead with us, permit me to get information from company on this stake shop earning for me to know, is this stake shop earning of your total money paid into your income wallet or the total stake shop earning in full? And what you get, if it's 10 to 1,000 views, you have $0.5. If it's 1,000 to 5,000 views, you have 1%. Sorry, not 0.5, 1% of that money. If it's 1,000 to 5,000, 1%, and so on. So as you promote Staycation on your social media panel, Facebook page and all that, the company want to be paying you dollars for doing that. Just imagine. You earn money as a stockist, you earn as a mentor, you can earn up to 10% on anyone you refer who become a stockist. And guess what? Company say in the next 2 weeks from now, we're expecting a new stockist back office. Woo! And in this new stockist back office, they say no more submitting of receipt. Stockists will be able to now approve receipt on their own. Okay. Earn bonuses for sharing your testimonial. you earn commissions on every volume generated in 30 days reorder of your downlines. Accumulate new volumes and refer commissions on every upgrade. As your downlines are upgrading, new volumes you're earning. As your downlines are upgrading, you earn new referral commission, and so on and so forth. What are you waiting for, ladies and gentlemen? It's a partnership opportunity. You earn daily, you can withdraw daily, you can earn without referrals, money back guarantee, you get free shopping voucher to buy products of your choice. No monthly auto ship, no flush out, nobody forces you on any product that you should buy, nobody forces you to upgrade, nobody says there's no product everywhere. Just go to your nearby stockists and pick up your product, and things are happening. Lives are being changed, Stake Exchange. And I can tell you, 2021 is the year where this company is going to put enough money into your account balance. When you look at your account balance, it helps to reduce high blood pressure. When you are thinking too much, just look at your bank alert and you will feel cool because of Stake Exchange. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to the end of this presentation. And just like we always do, we have now, this is now our interaction time. We have time for testimonies, time for questions. Please keep your questions positive, because this is a positive atmosphere and we need a positive comment, positive reactions. We don't need any atom of negativity here. So ask your questions, we'll answer your questions. We have several leaders who are here, and also leaders who would like to share their views, testimonies, talk so good about the opportunity. Please raise up your hands and let's start taking that. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. My name remains Mr. Umunachiro Ekene. I'm a team leader with Stake Exchange International, and this message is changing our lives, and we'll all see you at the top. Thank you, guys. So it's time for questions. Please, I assure you, don't go. Be on this Zoom so that you can hear the questions that people are asking, because you're going to learn from them as we answer them together. Thank you so much, and God bless you. So over to you, Mr. Itux, and other co-hosts who are in the house today.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chinos. This is powerful, wonderful, fantastic presentation. We love every part of it, and we can feel the energy. It's only when you are in, you can understand where this energy is coming from. So we want to say very thank you for this very awesome presentation, and the fact that you kept the time, just 1 hour, you're able to give us all that we want, both the products and the pay plan. We love this. So this is the time for us to get reaction, comments. Remember already we're having